welcome, welcome, welcome. As you can see here, we are not in our spot we left off last time. We are over here at the new side of the factory where we're building the heavy modular frames. I was in here earlier and built it's 16 rod makers, and the only reason I made this is gonna hurt. The only reason I did this is I normally don't do anything off camera, but based on I have built them several times before, I decided to do it off camera because you can see. So I built one side. I need to build 32 of them. So I'm just doing a bit of testing on one side. It's a different design again. That's why I'm moving over the observation tower so I can have a look and show you guys how it's. This is. It's meant to be. There's 32 of them. How it works is it comes into this box here. I don't have it built yet. Over from our main tower over to here. And then it's going to go filter. Comes in here, goes all the way down on the angled belt, and then comes back up to the beginning on the upside one. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to so that was more or less, it was meant to filter them around type thing. So we're going to get ready now and do our feed coming in. So I think I'm going to do the feed coming in. I'm not really sure how I want to do this one. I think I'm going to do the up through, down through. Let's start over here. I might go one floor below, I might go one floor above. I'm not sure. See, these are for making modular frames. So when you look here, it uses reinforced iron plates and iron rods. So half the iron rods are over there, and the reinforced iron plates come from up there. So I probably should come out across there. Because if you look up in here, because once we build the modular frames, we have to build the, because here's where the metal is coming from. Going out across, going out to there. So what we're gonna do, because here's the reinforced iron plates here. I had this unhooked. I think I'm gonna hook this back up and see what kind of mess I can get into. What kind of power usage am I at? I'm at 300. Sure, but oh, I don't have anything on me, do I? No. When I go down across, I'll have to get some more wire. What does one of these run? Excuse me. Literally right here, the belts can go out. Yeah, because then once we do reinforced iron plates, we have to do the other modular frames. The other reinforced iron, the other plate, the other ones. Because like when you look here under your items, you have, oh, vertical framework. Because as you can see here, modular frame, that's what the modular frames is for. So technically, I was going to build them over these. So what I can do is come out across here, I think. Come out in the floor. Yeah. So I'm gonna come down here and get my items. And then literally come right out of the floor, and in between that somewhere run the rod, run that out. Because one material has to go over there, the other one has to come to there, and then that one has to come back to there. Yeah. Yeah, so let's go over here and get the... We'll probably just build a little floor platform and build it right on the floor. Because I'm going to guess based on it. Yeah, we'll have a look. I'll hook up the reinforced iron plates and see if I blow up the system. And then I will leave most of my gear up there, and then I'll see how the whole height thing is doing. Because I'll build that across to it and see where the next floor comes. And then on the next floor, build a ladder-ish looking object. Type thing. Yeah. 513, no. 521, 552. Oh, it's going back down. 660, 690. $717, $757. Don't reach. They didn't look to reach to 800. Now if I do that, alright. Let's go check on that for a sec. I don't know if I have these powered up here. If I have them powered, I go and make belt work from, which is I'm going to do next type thing. Yeah, I do. So I can't have them come on. So where does the power from into here? Okay, so magically the wire comes up through the floor, so let's kill that wire. I think that's good. So let's slight bit of panic there. Not sure why it's that high. Because I turned off the whole upper floor. Yeah, it's turned off. Yeah, it's up there. I'm gonna go out here across and kill a couple more things that I'm not using right now because I kind of need everything to run. And this is one of the good things of having everything connected all on like almost one string, because you can just go along and literally go like this, and I think I just turned off the whole copper plant. No, she shocked her there for a moment. But I'll give it a moment because I think I just turned off all this in here. So this one should be off, so it should have no... No, whatever it's doing, it's, yeah. I need to go do one more thing. I need to go clip a few more wires. Needs to go clip a couple more wires. I don't think it is running. Okay, that should be fine. It's around the edge of. But what I'll do is I'll go up here. Now. Now it should be good. Yeah, because now it's down. Yeah, because I just, I'm not using the... I'm not using these guys right now, so I don't need the... I just killed the power to all these guys. So what I'll do is once I get some heavy modular frames going, then I can... I don't know if I have enough to keep the whole system running. I may have to make a little power plant temporary thing-ish. So what I need to do is I need to come from here out to there and out across there a floor. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go in here, make a box, store all that, and then go get some concrete. But what I'm going to do before I go over is I'm going to kill the wire to it. I don't need it to come on. I just need to take a whole bundle of it. I may stop by and see what kind of concrete I've stored up. Nowhere near enough. Maybe another bin have some in it? No. No. Yeah, if you guys are wondering, I did try to do the Christmas special, but I didn't really give up on it. It just got way too tangly. Oh, we got the dropsies already. Oh geez, that looks like a good dropsy. If you're wondering how I can tell if something's falling apart on stream, I have I'm watching the stream back on my phone. So I can hear when the music cuts in and out. Now, this thing, like most things here, it's literally just one wire. Okay, so it's that wire that goes across there, yeah. So that's that too. Because I have enough gear. And I also have an iPad remote here in front of me. So it's a it is a there. I need to get some concrete. It's a OBS Studio is what I use for my OBS, and they have a lovely feature. It's called OBS Studio Remote. Yeah, it's a remote they use. I'm not sure the exact name of it. I like it because it's here on the iPad in front of me and all of your hotkeys. So there's no extra fancy box you need to buy. Now you can get, there is such device that you can get boxes that controls all that, but it comes free with the OBS Studio. And if you want to see the rest of my are on my Blogish website. Specs or anything cool that's on the go, you can gladly stop by my Blogish website. The name is the same as my Twitch name. If you search that, you'll definitely come across my Blogish website. I just jumped down there to see if that lined up pretty good with the corner. So that's technically a roof. There is a floor that will be here. For this building, walkway type thing. It's just lining up the walkway here. Yeah, because this is another whole floor. This is the walkway. I will fill that in that way. I was just lining this up here now for the upper floor. Because then I'll follow it out from upstairs, come right out across that. But for right now, I just do a one row to feed in my I have most of my factory buildings. They need some walls, because if you're not familiar with my massive base I've made here over my 93 episodes of doing this on stream, I have only ever spent couple of hours doing certain little things. Everything else is usually done on stream. There was the rod plant I built over there and one plate plant I built, and everything else I did I'm literally building this over, not knowing how to get down or how I'm going to feed in the material. I might do a bump out on the end, or I might just take a square in my belter on the end and run it down. I think that's 4. I can tell you how high I am. Oh, that didn't work out. I was trying to see if I could jump on the observation tower. That looks to be on the corner. So what I'll do is I'll go back now and fill in some of that mess. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Because Because I'm like 2 floors-ish up. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out over here. Yeah, I know there's a staircase and stuff you can get, but I'm just gonna build like this. Because then I can build a big wide ramp. And for right now, I'll come up to the top and then I'll make my way back. That's why I come out 1 square to do the next row type thing. I don't have any of that stuff unlocked in the awesome shop yet. There's a whole discussion with that. If you're familiar to my stream, you'll know what that is. The Reader's Digest version of it is I don't really have anything to put in the awesome shop because I don't do anything that's wasteful. Now, the stairs is right here. That's that. So, I'm gonna try to come up literally right here somewhere. Yeah, I'm gonna come right here-ish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a F on that, F on that, and then I'm going to 9. Okay, that'll work for there for now. I just have to go get some more material for that because it's basically right now all I want out of it is that. Because then I can bring the material over for that, and I can bring the material over for the next item. You see, the rods have to come from over there to over there. Also, the rods have to leave over there and come back to there. The heavy module frames from over there have to go over to there. So it's like a multi-purpose bridge type thing.
Timeout 10 minutes.
Yeah, FYI guys, you're not allowed posting links. That was someone getting timed out by the bot. If you're still here watching, you're not allowed posting links on Twitch. If you want to post a link to me for something, you can gladly message me on pretty much almost every other platform other than message me on Twitch. Like, you can message me on my actual blogish website, on Instagram. You can comment on the video on YouTube. Anything like that. And, they'll, what to do here? I need to basically... And then you can, commented there a link for anything like that, but you're not allowed doing it on Twitch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a box and put the concrete up here. Because I'll need all that up here. I'm just going to take all and probably bundle of concrete. That 35 looks pretty good to me. Otherwise, I'll take 100 while I'm at it. Yeah, because like I need to put a floor in here and a floor over there. That might be something I get into off camera. Building one floor is building the same as building well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right about here-ish now and do 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what I'm going to do, since that lovely box is right in the way, I'm moving over here. doing a little switcheroo here type thing, because I think I'm gonna do just a like a conveyor belt type thing. Just has enough right now to see what I can get into. I might do that. Yeah, because I can do here. No, I gotta do the up one. I need to get over our entrance. So I'll probably do like maybe not. I do 8. How far back? And then if I do one right after it. I do one there, which is like we were close, and then I can run that one in there. No, I'm literally jumping over. Yeah, you're gonna end up jumping over all these anyway, so that's no big deal. And then if I put the next one going this way, here, will I get enough room? To not be. Yeah, okay, it's kind of over there and over to the side anyway. Yeah, even if it was, you'd still... no. If it was up, you wouldn't run into it at all. But I really don't... That's the third world problem, because you could come out running, you know. The only way that would be not like that would be if you built it like we do all the other ones. But all the extra time and material right now, I just... no. we'll just build it that way. If it drives me nuts that bad, I'll probably off camera do that, considering you've seen us enough times build one of those too. Literally just put it on the belt, up one, and go up across. I think it was like there I built it. I'm not exactly sure where I built that. Yeah, right on the edge. Yeah. And the good thing about doing it this way is I can run the other one back across, run it in here type thing. So that's why I'm building it 4 high and not running anything underneath. Because the other 16 smelters needs the other . Because like I could technically come along and run it round the ground, but not knowing what I'm getting into, and also knowing that I need to because it's 480 of material we're making. I need 3 something. With a little bit extra, we'll just get siphoned off in time. For right now, I just need to puke the material in the machine. I'm just checking to see where we lined up. I might have to, no, I'm at like 155. I was thinking I was running a steel. No, it's just that the I didn't have on my list 400 million feet of belt. So it's not on the task sheet. So I didn't have material lined up for that. But it is only steel. Steel is only right there-ish. Oh. I'm just curious, will that person come back and try to post their link again? If anybody was wondering, it was one of those it's one of those ones about if you want to be famous by links or subscribers. Yeah, by followers. I think my belt is I also have another computer running. And that's why I keep turning when you hear me not talking towards you. Turn. I'll consider that good enough. All I'll do there is I'll go like this. For right now. Thing. And then I'll run down here now to the bottom and start feeding that in, because So I'd say that has a good few buttons on it. Yep. That makes two. Yeah, I was gonna say that makes two. I thought I made stairs going down here somewhere. Not sure how this system is going to handle having a puke of sort. Not exactly sure. Okay, so clearly they're going somewhere. Because it's going in, it's just not. It's a new style system I made. I just want to see how what it's doing. Oh, I wonder, will it feed? So if it fills up that, will it feed it? Okay, so it's gonna feed it. Okay, so it's feeding into there. Okay, so it will fill up the system. Okay. I didn't know where it was gonna fill up at all. That would be right. Why is it? It's not supposed to be going that way. It's filling up down there, but this belt's going that way. Even though. Okay, so that's that. So it's gonna start that way and that, but it's circulating. That's. Yeah, that's what I'm not exactly sure about the whole style of a system. The way I built it was, I was thinking it would circulate. So like if I took out a bunch at one or one was screwed up, it would run all of them. But it's feeding into here. I don't know what it's going to do once it finishes. Because see, it's coming down through all the boxes and then going back. Because right now nothing's running. You see, it's coming into this box. I guess that's all now. See, because I never had it turned on. Okay, so that's figured out. So we can turn that on. So we'll go turn that system on now and see how much power we use. And we'll leave the systems I have killed power to off. Just jump in here for a sec. I need to figure out if this still has power, but did this fill up its box yet? Yes. So this is just, at this point, filling its brains up. Does it fill its brains up completely? So this is not using any power right now. Almost. It's almost not using, it's partly not using any power anymore. So like, it should be. Yeah, it's still. See, the problem is to run that plant, it's using a crap ton of resources.
Average underscore PC underscore parts underscore bot.
Thank you, Noggle. I was wondering that seemed like it was soon time to. Ooh, we're getting up near 800. Okay. Let's see if that can run for a little bit. I'm just making sure that this is running right. So we got that figured out. That's that. They will just feed up into that same line and pop down and get fed into there. So what we'll do now is we'll go over and see how the rod makers are doing, and I'll probably pull the rods out of the back, and then we will see then power. That will make some interesting moments. I'll probably have to go turn on my extra little bit for that. What I'll do is I'll take the rods out of here first. I have like it might be an extra 100. Lots of power. There's like 6 or 8 or yeah, there's 6 or 8 biomass burners over next to the power plant type thing. I've dubbed you now rots. But I'll probably hook it up and see if it blows up first. Cause well, I've never seen a system that taxed and then see how close are we to the top anyway? Oh, this one won't tell me. YOLO. That's gonna go in a minute. It's gonna be as close as I'm gonna be. I'd say I'll fall apart on my way over. Oh, it's just up there. Oh, it actually looks like it's close. One you know, one more machine comes on, I need a little bit more than what it is. I think it will be lights out. But they're already all full and everything like that here on the end of it. I just gotta go over and turn them on. See, they're all right here. They're just on standby. This is only making, you know, this is only adding 30 to the program. $30, $60. $90. There's like an extra 100, so it should be, yeah, I'm at 1,020 now. Okay, let's put y'all on here now. And yeah. 180-ish. Yeah, that should be fine until it runs out. By the time it runs out, I should have something else figured out, but it's not like I don't have any material to worry about. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here to take a box, make it 2 boxes, leave them right here, and then I'm going to go in through my plant here and grab some more biomass. I only have a couple of couple biomass blocks over here on the other side I have to deal with, but you know. So, 4 oversized chestfuls. I don't think I got my belt worked on that one right because it's not feeding in. Don't matter anyway. Oh, power still stayed on, so that's a good thing. I'll probably have to come back and make a little power plant up there with a few more. So we got some of our rod plant figured out. Because they're about 30 a piece. There's like 7 of them there now. But if I came back and put like say 25 of them there, I still don't think I would be able to run a sensible amount of it. I think it's going to be some version of store up a bunch of material and then run it. I see these things are. Oh, not bad. Because to run this and that and the other one, I don't think you can run all 3 of them together. I think it's going to be run, fill up type thing, which is perfectly fine. But it's going to be some mess trying to run that without running the other one. In that minute, that ran enough to make another 100 rods. Because one is like reinforced iron plates and the other one is the same thing. I don't know. That's why the power plant has sigh of relief. These are not running no more. So it's to run reinforced iron plates, you need to have the screw plant and the. Okay, these are cleaning up well. I see some of these end ones now down here are pretty full. With 240 a minute coming in. Wouldn't take very long for the no, it's still part full, so it's not overflowing into the next one yet. Just got letting it in, yeah. Well, let's take a wander back now to our tower, and that's where we'll finish tonight. I'll have to come in and do some work or something on something. Figure out what to do with that. Because right now I'm power critical. Okie dokie. Thank you very much for all coming out. I'll see you all tomorrow night on the farm.
Let's make a run together. I'll be by your side before we collide. And if the sky falls down on you, just beat it up before we collide.
Average_PC_parts_bar. Dollar average F parts has been live for 1 hour 23 minutes 46 seconds.
Just heat it up before we collide.
Thank you all for coming out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you all tomorrow night on the farm.